In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to not trade with emotion. And to do that, we're going to be taking Mogwai setups with the trend. And yes, I know it sounds ridiculous. How can taking Mogwai setups with the trend teach me not to trade with emotion? Now, bear with me because it makes sense. Every single morning, I trade with the BD members. And every single morning, they'll post setups, right? They're really confident. You lot are really confident with posting setups. Hey, USD CAD with the trend, or USD CAD at a support line, or GP USD, I've got a Mogwai signal at a resistance area. You've got no problem posting that, and you're confident doing that until you take a trade. And then it's like fear just steps in. Oh, should I have done the right thing? Should I have took my trade here? Should I have waited for confirmation? Is my stop loss and take profit in the right place? And I want to show you in today's video that if you get a perfect setup and everything meets the rules and everything lines up perfectly, be confident in the trade and be confident in your trading ability. And that's what I want to show you in today's video. It's just showing you that if everything lines up perfectly with the Mogwai strategy, right, and the price action confirms that as well, just enjoy the trade. Take the trade and enjoy it and you know, accept that I've took a trade, it meets the rules, and yeah, let's go off and hit take profit. Don't be panicking or anything like that. So let's jump straight into the video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. I have personally been using Go Markets for over 5 years now, and one of the reasons I chose them was because their customer service is second to none. Low spreads, fast withdrawals and thousands of tradable products makes Go Markets the favourable choice for the BD members. Go Markets is the official online trading sponsor of Chelsea Football Club. If you are looking to trade with a worldwide trusted and regulated broker, then sign up using our link below and start trading today with low spreads. Thank you and enjoy today's video. Okay, what I've got in front of me now is EURUSD Mogwai strategy on the 1 minute time frame on the left, and I've got pure price action EURUSD on the 1 hour charts on the right. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do some simple basic trading with the trend using the Mogwai strategy. Now, I know a lot of you like to overcomplicate your trading. You like to make it really complicated, perhaps a institutional way of trading, and have indicator matching indicator and rules following this rule which follows that rule. And if your trading is complicated, it's because you've made it complicated. What I like to do is keep everything simple. Now, yes, trading can be confusing. It can be difficult to learn and read the charts, but it doesn't really need to be complicated, right? It's just basic support and resistance. Some of the best traders in the world, right, believe it or not, are fearless traders. They just have a basic set of rules, basic market knowledge, and they just trade without emotion, and they just repeat that over and over and over again. They're the best traders in there because sometimes less is more, right? In fact, it is true, less is more in trading. So Mogwai signals with the trend. What am I looking for Mogwai signals with the trend? Well, to identify a trend, you're looking at this here, okay? So that would be a Mogwai signal with the trend, okay? So you've got a high, you've got a previous high, you've got the low, you've got a new low and a new high, okay? So this is a trend. This is an uptrend. However, this is not an uptrend, okay? So uptrend, pullback here. This is not really an uptrend, okay? Why? Because you've got the high, the new high, but this is not a new high. This is a double top pattern. So this could mean that price is going down. Now, it's not a downtrend either, and it's not an uptrend either, okay? It's not an uptrend because it hasn't gone higher, and it's not a downtrend because it hasn't done this, okay? Until it does this pattern where you create lower lows and lower highs, this is nothing, okay? So just be mindful of that, okay? We're looking for the perfect setup with the trend. Now, I'm going to be trading the BD slightly different in this video, okay? It's going to be different to what I normally teach people, but my job here is to teach you to trade without emotion. So I want to show you how to do it properly, and to do that, we need to just trade the Mogwai strategy slightly different, and you'll understand the reasons why, okay? So I'm just going to press play on this simulator here. We're going to go back to the 1 minute. We're going to press play. And again, what I'm looking for is a Mogwai signal with the trend, okay? Now, obviously, any sells right now are going to be against the trend, because if you look at the 1 hour, okay, there is now breaking resistance, okay? So this is an uptrend, yeah? If you zoom in here, resistance, resistance, prices created a new high, okay? So new high, previous high, okay? Low, okay? So I'm expecting price to maybe come down, retouch it, go up like this here, okay? So I'm not taking sells here, okay? I'm not taking sells, okay? So I'm just going to press play on this simulator. I think that is the Mogwai signal that's going to win. Yeah, how did I know that one? How did I know that Mogwai signal was going to be the one that was going to win? Well, it's actually a break and retouch here. Look, if you zoom in here, right, it was actually a break and retouch of this area just there. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Price comes down, retouches. So that was the Mogwai signal here, but that didn't really meet any of the rules, so I'm not going to take it. This here is against the trend. So any sells here are against the trend. So just be mindful of that, right? I'm not saying that some might win, some might lose, but they're against the trend, okay? So, you know, try and find you a setup that's with the trend, with the trend. Okay, so again, we're getting a lot of Mogwai signals with the trend, but what's interesting is we're coming up into the 1 hour resistance. See that level just there? See that level just there for zoom in on the 1 hour? See that? Touch and touch. So we might be getting a sell here at this level. Let's see. No. Ah, here we go here. Watch this. I bet you this is the Mogwai signal that wins. Watch this. How did I know that? How did I know that? You target the bottom of the zone, it wins, right? Now, this trade is against the trend. It's not a trade that we would want to take, okay? So just be mindful of that. This trade is against the trend. Now, yes, if you want to take trades against the trend, it's up to you. You're going to get Mogwai signals with the trend. Against the trend, you're going to get signals that don't do anything. They just meet no rules. You're going to get signals around support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, whatever, right? I am showing you how I would trade with the trend because it's going to help you build up the confidence. So this is not, well, I actually would take that trade if I'm being honest with you, but I you know, for the purpose of this video, and you can see why, because price reversed, okay? A top tip, right? There's nothing wrong with taking trades against the trend, but just got to remember it's against the trend, right? So you're very much likely price is going to reverse and, you know, do something like this and then drop again, okay? Your next question is, Jamie, why am I not taking this trade? Because that's a buy with the trend, okay? That might be a buy with the trend, but there is no support line here, okay? The support line on this setup is somewhere around here, okay? In fact, yeah, I'd probably say here, okay? I would say here is the support line because you're going to have here a break and retouch. So a buy here would make logical sense, yeah? Because that would be with the trend. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we come down. Okay, we did come down. Okay, let me see if I get a Mogwai signal. Yes, we do. Okay, watch this, right? Watch this. Watch what we're going to do here, okay? See how this trade is with the trend, okay? So same again, it doesn't matter how you look at it. Uptrend, pullback with the trend, buy. There's the previous, there's the new high. There's the previous high. There's the low. There's the new low, okay? So let's follow price, okay? Comes down, uptrend, pull back, buy the market. Even if you look at it like this here and it goes uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back, uptrend, pull back, as long, right, this is still with the trend. This is still with the trend because you've got all the previous highs, high, 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 low, low. As long as this does not go lower, so obviously for a downtrend, you're going to be this kind of action, yeah? So that's not a downtrend. This is more likely an uptrend. So we're going to take this buy here. And what we're going to do is we are going to enter right at this Mogwai signal. So we're going to go for a 15 pip. Let me have a look here. Yeah, let's go for a 15 pip stop loss and a 50 pip take profit, okay? So just over 1 to 3. Now, What I've done here, and this is what I want to show you, okay? This is why I've done it slightly different, because a lot of you lot are going to say this doesn't meet any of the rules, Jamie, the TCA lines come out, you're not waited for a confirmation. Let me explain to you what's going to help you build up emotion. What I'm doing here is I'm buying right at that 1 hour level, right at the level, okay? And I'm putting my stop loss out of the way. I don't know what it is with you lot, but you like to kind of have tight stop losses. I don't know what it is with tight stop losses, okay? You just get stopped out all the time, okay? Put your stop loss out of the way. Just get it out of the way. It can still be a 1% risk. Look, my stop loss is a 1% risk, right? But it's out of the way. It's below that support line. Get it out of the way, okay? So let's take this trade here, right? And let me just show you, right? Let me see if the trade, yeah. You see, the problem is now, right? If you've waited for the confirmation, right? So if you waited for price to go above the TCA line and the TCA line's turned green, okay? And I take another trade at a 15 pip stop loss. Look now where the 15 pip stop loss is. It's too tight, right? It's just too tight. To have a decent stop loss here, right? Excuse me. To have a decent stop loss here, your stop loss has got to be like 30 pips now, right? So 30 pip stop loss, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense, right? Well, obviously you want to wait for the confirmation, but what I'm saying here is this: if you enter right at that level, it's given you a better entry point and you can put that stop loss out of the way. Get it out of the way, because if price reverses now, right, it will literally stop you out and price will go up and you'll be frustrated. You'll be like, why did everything meet the rules and I've lost the trade, right? As you do this, you'll start to build up confidence, right? Most of the time, I'm entering my Mogwai signals before the TCA line changes colour, because I see the patterns, right? I see the higher highs, higher lows, and I see the support and resistance areas, and I buy. So watch this, right? So as price goes up now, you see on the 1 minute time frame. Hold on here. Okay, I'm back. Right, as I was saying, for some reason my computer kicked me off the internet, right? So see here, trend up, pullback. I'm looking for a pullback in the market. If a pullback happens here, don't panic, right? Our stop loss is way out of the way. Our stop loss is below the 1 hour support line, okay? It's protected, okay? So let's see if we, like I said, I don't know if we're going to get a pullback, but logical sense would say that if this was an uptrend, you're going to be getting a pullback, aren't you? You're going to be on the 1 minute, you're going to get uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, yeah? So don't panic, right? So let's see if we get a pullback. How did I know that would happen? My God. Right, okay, now we're going to get a pullback, right? Okay, but see what I mean, right? Here. Look how close you are. Obviously, this line here is where you would enter, okay? Look how close you are at getting stopped out at this pullback, right? Now, for me, it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter because my stop loss is way out the way, right? Now, you could actually re-enter here. Again, we've got a nice little break and retouch here. This, even you get break and retouches on the 1 minute. Watch this. If I was to buy again at this level, and again, hang on here. If I was to buy again, I'm not saying buy at this level, but just to show you the trend and pullback, we'll buy again with a 15 pip stop loss. Again, stop loss out of the way, right? Now look what I'm doing. I'm looking to see if this high here gets broken. If that high here gets broken, we're definitely going up, right? We're definitely going up, okay? So it touches the resistance here, right? Again, are we going to bounce off this and come back down? That's the question, because this tells us how strong this trend is, okay? So we break above it, okay? Bang, we retouch. See how we retouch it? Now, I'm not taking this Mogwai signal. It makes no logical sense why I'd take this, because I'm in a buy. And don't panic because you've got a Mogwai signal. I'm going to take a sell, right? See how we bounce off it? Sometimes I'm too good, honestly. Right, now it comes up. Right, now see how price is starting to slow down. Looks like we're going to come back down to this support line. But again, right, it could be still going up. See how it bounces off it again? Okay, I'm going to mark up this line here. So I want to see if this area gets broken now. Now, normally a lot of people would close their trades off. Maybe this is where you'd start to take profit, perhaps close off a percentage. Because if I look at the 1 hour charts, I'm still going to hold this trade. I'm still going to hold this trade. Okay, I'm still going to hold this trade. Okay. Okay, nice, nice, nice. It's coming down. Okay, I'm going to look at the 1 hour charts here. Okay, nice. Come on, come up, come up. Break that 1 hour resistance. Break the 1 hour, yes, there we go. New high, bang. There we go there. Look at that. Look at that. Makes sense, doesn't it? Makes sense, right? Then watch this. I bet you, like I said, I actually don't know, but let's say if we come back down and retouch this level. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we retouch this level. No, okay, looks like we're slowing down. Looks like we're slowing down at this level. See this? This is no longer an uptrend. Well, it is an uptrend still, but see how price is slowing down. Watch this, right? This is a bit of price action for you. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Wait, hang on here. Price isn't making new highs at this point. So maybe we're going to go down. But to go down and to get a downtrend, we want to see this move, yeah? We're not getting that. So let's see what happens. Bang, comes down here. But that doesn't mean now that this is a downtrend until we get a downtrend and pullback, okay? We might still go higher. So let's see what happens, right? Yeah, see? And then just here, watch this. This is a beautiful trade with the trend. Let's see if we come down and retouch this level here. Yeah, watch this. Watch this trade. Have I got a Mogwai signal here? I have. Watch this. Literally, bang. I'll go for an in and out scalp on this one. I'll literally go for 15 pips for 15 pips. Normally I go for 1 to 3, but just because I don't want to, this video has been going on for quite long. Watch this trade win. Hopefully this trade wins. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we're going up. Okay, let's see if we get a 1 to 1. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful there. Beautiful. And the reason why, look, again, this is a confirmation that this is an uptrend. So there was no sell because we didn't do this. So there was no sell. There would have been a sell opportunity just here. We didn't get that. And what we did get was to trick traders that would, you know, just trick them because they think, it's a sell and then price reverses. No, it's nothing. Price comes up, retouches, you get that confirmation, uptrend, again, previous highs and lows, okay? I'm gonna leave that there. Some tips that you need to learn. Firstly, wait for the confirmation, okay? Wait for the higher highs and higher lows. If you're gonna get that, it's gonna help build up the confidence. Enter the trade at the level if you can. Yes, sometimes it's great to wait for confirmation, but the more the trade moves away from that support and resistance level, the worse the place your stop loss is going to be, okay? You want to get that stop loss out of the way. You want to be buying at that level, so it gives you confidence. If the price reverses, your stop loss is not in the wrong place. And that's going to help you not get stopped out and then get frustrated and end up chucking Binary Destroyer mugs at your coffee. Yeah, I have a personalised mug. I actually got sent this by a BD member for my birthday. I love you lot, honestly. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you have an awesome trading week. And yeah, if you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.